Black Canary.
Green Arrow. I've noticed you around.
I know. You happy punching the bag, or you want to go a few rounds with me? I am talking about sparring.
That'd be nice, too. You're telegraphing. You gotta center yourself.
Center myself. Got it. You're good.
You should see me when I'm trying.
I'd like that. In fact, I could use your help on something. But the League can't know. I'll explain once we're on the surface.
I don't know. Sounds fishy.
I promise. It's for a good cause. How about a wager? If I can get out of this hole...